This is the brief on building English fluency in just 1 minute a day. You know, language learning usually feels like a massive chore requiring hours of study, right? But this source argues for a radically simple, totally stress-free daily micro-habit. It's kind of like cramming for a marathon. Why do we try to run 26 miles on day one when we could just take a single, consistent step every morning? First, the rule. You literally just need to speak English for exactly 60 seconds every day. No books and absolutely zero pressure. It's a brilliant way to completely remove the friction of studying. Second, the method. What do you actually say? Well, you just talk about your day using simple sentences like, I woke up at 7 a.m., I had breakfast, I studied today. Because you only have 60 seconds, you're forced to abandon intimidating, complex grammar and just focus on basic, functional communication. Now, wait. Is just talking to yourself about eating breakfast really going to make you fluent? Finally, the mindset. Yes, it will, and here's why. Consistency builds fluency, not long, exhausting study hours. It's so easy to practice those basic daily sentences, and that compounding consistency is exactly why it works. And hey, mistakes are completely okay, because every mistake makes you better. You just got to remember this specific quote. Don't wait to be perfect, start to improve. Ultimately, true fluency isn't about the massive volume of hours you cram, but the daily, imperfect minute you actually commit to.